Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by entering safe mode so drivers don't block changes. First, make a quick backup of important files. Once done, hold Shift while you click Restart, then select Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, Startup Settings, and Restart again. When the menu appears, press 4 or F4 for safe mode. Press 5 or F5 for safe mode with networking if you need internet. You're now in a controlled environment where you can safely update or roll back drivers without the system repeatedly crashing. Once in safe mode, open Device Manager with Windows key plus X and pick Device Manager. Locate the device flagged with an error, often network or display adapters, and right-click. Try Update Driver first. Select Search Automatically or Browse My Computer if you downloaded a vendor driver. If the recent update caused the failure, choose Properties Right Arrow Driver, Right Arrow Rollback Driver. If that's unavailable, uninstall device and reboot so Windows reinstalls a stable driver. Make sure to prefer Sign after driver adjustments, reboot into normal mode and observe whether the driver power state failure recurs. If stable, run Windows Update and install any optional driver updates, or use the manufacturer's installer for a clean install. If the problem persists, examine Event Viewer for the exact driver or power error, and use System Restore to return to a known good state if available. As a final tip, test with a clean boot to rule out software conflicts. That often reveals third-party drivers or utilities causing the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.